Let me say this clearly, yeah? A good voice does not book voiceover jobs. Doesn't. A good voice does not book voiceover jobs. So people audition people for voiceover gigs or casting directors for voice artists or just anyone who wants to sample your voice just so they hire you on a gig. They are listening for three things, and they are clarity, intent, and believability. Most people fail at number two. Reading lines instead of choosing a reason for saying those words. So before any script you're presented with, before you go ahead and read it, ask yourself, who am I talking to? Why am I saying this? What do I want them to feel? Even a simple line like download the app today changes completely based on intent. Download the app today. Download the app today. Download the app today. You can see. So record the same line, say 3 times. Do it in a friendly way. We can try it now. So let's do it in a friendly way. Download the app today. Doing it in an urgent way. Download the app today. You can now do it in a more calm, authoritative way. Download the app today. That's voice control. It's not about tone. It's not about accent. It's about control. So have this at the back of your mind when next you have to audition for a voiceover gig. My name is Gloria Kachuku, and right here on this channel, I share with you tips to help you grow your confidence, become more articulate. And of course, this video was all around training your voice to become powerful, grounded, and to be able to convey the message that you want the next person to get. So if this video was helpful, make sure you like, share it with someone else, because when you do this, you tell the YouTube algorithm that, hey, this video is informative, it is educational, it is helpful, and then show it to more people who need to be a part of our community. My name is Gloria once again. Until I catch you in my next video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications button so you do not miss out on any of these tips and hacks as I share. You're not going to get them anywhere else. Bye for now.